It's Thursday, and that means we are back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen, and she'll show us how to make some spooky shaped treats that are perfect for a Halloween party.
No tricks, just treats. I have a really fun and festive thing that we can do today, just to have a little fun this holiday season with some cheese. And we have these really cool molds here today. They're usually hanging in end caps of the holiday aisles. I've even seen them in the dollar stores. And I've got black cats, little pumpkins, and some skulls. And all we're gonna do is pop some cheese into these and make little cheese-shaped, fun cheese shapes in the molds. So I've got some soft cheese here. It works best with the soft cheese, but this is soft mozzarella, and it's the kind that was marinated. So I have drained it and had it in a towel so that it got rid of some of the extra marinated oil. And I'm just plopping one of these into every single piece. And then I'm going to pop them in the microwave for 30 seconds. These are silicone molds, they're microwave safe. And I've also got some hard cheese here. Now, it doesn't work quite as well with the hard cheese because you have to be a little bit more careful in watching it so that it doesn't melt. So you notice my pieces that I've cut up here are larger than the little molds because they're going to move into it. As they melt, they'll kind of fill in all the gaps there. We'll swap them out. I'll put this one in now. So for the mozzarella, it's already ready to go basically. I'm just going to kind of use my fingers to press them down into the molds so that they fill in all those spaces. And then these will go into our freezer for about 10 minutes. Or you could put them in the refrigerator for an hour or so. But what happens once we put these in the freezer, we get these nice little pieces of cheese that we can pop out. And these are actually ghosts that I made here. Super fun. And then you could just put these on a charcuterie board. You could pack them in your lunch or decorate a potluck dish with them, bring them to the party with you. I have actually made some here that are skulls with tomatoes and a little bit of olive oil and vinegar, a little bit of balsamic, makes those skulls a little kind of dark and creepy, but it's a very delicious dish. Pull out those cheese and see how they're doing. They need another couple seconds, but I'm just going to put them in for about 9 seconds because we don't want to overcook them, but I'll show you what we get when we're all done is these cute little orange pumpkins. These are just about perfect. So they haven't started cooking out yet or too melted, but everything is fitting in here. And again, these are going to go in our freezer for about 10 minutes. And when they come out, as you see, we have all these great little shapes here that we can bring to our holiday party or just take to lunch at work every day. Send with the kids to school. So I hope this gives you some great ideas. I'd love to see what you come up with that you can put in these molds.